Hello students. So today we will discuss exercise number 5.2, right? In my previous videos I have discussed about 5.1 and introductions of chapter 5, that is data handling, right? So in my previous video you have often seen that I have discussed about how to represent the data, right? There is three method: pictorial views, pictorial graph, bar graph, and third is pie chart, right? Circular graph, yeah, circular chart or pie chart, right? This third one, right? So exercise 5.2 is relevant to pie chart, right? So let's see what is pie chart, right? As you can see here, time spent by childs during a day, how a students spend his time for a day, 24 hours, right? We will see in this circular graph represent the whole day span of time, right? You know, in a one day there is 24 hour, right? So you can see the 24 hours we have divided in various sector in these circles, right? So 8 plus 6, that is 14, 14 3 plus 14 plus 3, that is 17, 17 plus 3 20, 20 plus 4 24, means what? So one day have 24 hours, right? So here 24 hour we have divided in various sector of a circle. This circle representations we known as a pie chart, right? What we have to observe here, right? So you can see here a student spend its time 8 hour for sleep, 6 hour in schools, 3 hour to play, 3 hour in other works, and 4 hour for doing homeworks, right? So this picture shows the divisions of 24 hour for various works for a students, right? So now if someone asking you to find out the proportional ratio, what proportional ratio proportional ratio of sector for sleep, means a students how much time or how much proportions of times has spent in sleeping. So what you have to do, you know, for this you just whatever the time he has spent in sleeping, you just put it here. This is 8 hour for sleep, he has spent 8 hour. Now total this whole circle, his whole circle completed how much time? 24 hour. The whole circle completed for 24 hours, so you just divide it by 24 hour. Getting my point? Proportions ratio of sector for sleep, how much time he has spent in sleep, we have to calculate in terms of proportionality. So he has spent his time 8 hours, as you can see, observe from this graph, this pie chart. This pie chart shows 8 hours spent as students, right? So he spent 8 hours, you just put here, and the total timing just divide it, you will get how much it, whenever you cut, you will get 8 3 is 24. So 1/3 proportions will be spent by the students, right? Now next one, similarly if I ask uh, proportions proportionals ratio for homework, right? Proportional work for homework, how you can calculate? You just observe here, homework he has spent 4 hours. Just put here 4 hours. And what is the total timing? The total timing of a day is 24 hours, right? You just cut it out, you get 4 6 ja 1 by 6. So 1 by 6 portions he has spent in homeworks. So similarly you can calculate others also. So suppose I am writing for playing proportional limit, proportional ratio will be 3 hours, because he has spent 3 hours. Now out of 24 hours, right, you will get how much? 1 by 8, because 8 3 ja 24. So 1 by 8 proportions, ratio proportions of for playing, right? Now move on to next. You can observe from this diagram what how the time divided in the sectors, and each sector how much proportions ratio they are containing, right? Now next one, move on to, we will see, if suppose this was what, this was given your pie chart. Suppose there is pie chart is not given and there is a data there, how we will represent that data in pie, we will see here. Now move on to next. Suppose now next questions arises, draw a pie chart. There was already made pie chart. Here is a questions and we have to make a pie chart, right? So how we will do? So question arises, by drawing a pie chart, let's consider this data, right? Let us prepare this data in a pie chart. So this is the data, we have to make pie chart, right? So these are the questions. I will draw a pie chart by analyzing or interpreting this data, right? So here is a group of 360 people were asked to vote their favorite season for 3 seasons, from 3 seasons. What are those? Summer, rainy and winter, right? So they have voted, like for summer 90 voter was there, for rainy season 120 voter was there, for winter 150 voter was there, right? So how we will solve this is, I have taken as an example to explain how we can draw the pie chart by these kind of data, right? So here I have taken a questions which is from your exercise number 5.2, right? So please observe towards my hands. So what we have to do, you have to make this table proportional table, right? So you just make what, proportional ratio, right? So increase this and write proportional ratio, make a column of proportional ratio, right, like this, and one more column that is from angle. This is for angle. Now observe, whenever this kind of data is there, you always make 2 more column, right? Similarly, like so proportions limit, how? So there was 360 people are here, remember this, 360 total people are how much? 360 voter are there. So proportional limit for this summer vacation, you just put 90 divided by 360, This was given the total water na. This is 90 water. So again for next one 360, sorry, this is 360, again 150, just divide 360. See? So this is proportional limit, right? You will get the ratios, right? So here we see this will be cut out. You will get 1 by 4. This will be cut out. 0 cut 0, and 12 3 is 36, right? 1 by 3 will become. Now 0 will be cut out. What will be cut? This will be 5 3 is 3 5 is 15, and 3 12 is, right? So you will get 5 upon 12 will be the ratio proportions. Now we have to calculate angle also, right? How we will calculate these proportions? 1 by 4 is here. You will multiply with 360 degree, because a pie chart, a complete circle made of 360 degree. You just multiply 360 degree, you will get the 90. Fortunately, what you will say, you got again this will be 90 degree. So this is ratio proportion 1 by 3. You just multiply by 360. This is 360 stand for the number of waters. This 360 is angle of a complete circle, right? So in every pie chart you have to multiply 360. There is a degree basis, right? But this is 360. Fortunately, they are same, right? So only this problem, there is water is same and the angle is same, but in each next problem you have to again multiply 360 in each problems, but here there may be chances of changes, right? So this was the people of waters, people water, right? So this is the number stand for water, but this 360 is stand for the degree, right? So you will get, dividing it, you will get how much? Again 120 degree. So now 5 by 12 multiply by 360, this will be, you will get how much? That is 150, right? So these are the degree and this was the water. Fortunately they are same, but in next problem you will get different data, right? Now we have to draw a pie chart. What he is asking in the problem, find which season got the maximum vote. You can see winter season, answer should be winter season, how much vote? 150 votes is maximum, right? Next question, find the central angle of each sector. So I have found central angle here. So for summer central angle is how much? 90. For rainy it becomes 120. For winter it is 150. So each sector or each season having different angles. So this is 90 degree angle. This is terms of degree, na? This is terms of degree. So 90, 120 and 150 degree they will subtended for a pie chart, right? So by the help of this you can draw a pie chart. So let's draw a pie chart. So now the help of this data we have to make a pie chart. For this what you have to do, you just make any size of circle. By the help of this protector you will get a circle over here, right? By the help of this protector, for any size you can take, right? That is smaller one, bigger one, it doesn't matter. You just make a circle, right? After making a circle you just have to divide this circle in 3 sectors. Why 3? Because 3 data is there, na? Summer, winter and summer, winter and rainy. Three seasons are there, so three relevant data we have to divide this circle in three sectors, right? So what should be the size of that circle according to the angle? Because first one is how much? That is 90 degree. So you just, by the help of this protector, right, you just keep it. Suppose the center is here, just make a center over here, put your protector here, but just mark your 90 degree over here, right? You will get 90 degree, and line, baseline is here, you will get 90 degree. So then I'm making 90 degree over here like this, right? So your, for summer season, this will be 90 degree. So 90 degree subtended by the summer season. You just put summer season, that is 90 degree. Got my point? Similarly, for rainy season, it will be 120. So this is 90, right? Again you just put here like this, like so. You just start counting here. This is what, 90, this is 100, 10 and 120. Just mark here a point here, you will get 120. You just put down here and draw, this will be 120. So this is for rainy season. For rainy, this will be 120 degree. So from this rainy season, 120 degree. Rest of sector will for winter. For winter season, this is how much? This is 150 degree. Hence the pie chart will be completed. So these three questions asked by this question. First is asked, which season got the most water? That was 150, that is winter season. Find the central angle of each sector. So this is the angle of each seasons, right? How much? This is 90, this is 120, this is 50. Now last one, draw the pie chart. I have completed the pie chart. So this is a pie chart. This was the questions. How I have drawn, you must know that. Now move on to next questions. I have taken one more questions, right? Suppose like this. This is a questions you have asked, right? So this is a questions from your exercise number 1.2, right? This is a question exercise. This is 5.2. Question number 5 is here, right? We have to make a proportional sector tables, right? We have to make table as well as pie chart, right? So number of students in the hostel is speaking different languages is given below, right? So these are the different languages speaking by the students. Their numbers are 40, 12, 9, 7 and 4, etc. The total students is how much? That is 72, right? So we have to make a pie chart. So what we have to do, you have to make a similar table, right? So let's start. So first, just language, right? First language. What the language? We have 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 language. So second one is language should be Hindi, English, Tamil, Bengali, right? So and wait, I left that Marathi, so you just put it here Marathi. It will, sequence doesn't matter, the sequence, you can change the sequence, right? So languages is part it, this will be a table, right? We have to make a table, right, like this, right? So let's see. So number of student, another column should be added, right? So here you can see the number of students for Hindi. For Hindi, how much it is? For Hindi, it is 40. For English, it is 12. For Tamil that is 7. For Bengali, it is 4. And for Marathi, it is 9. Right? So you have make a table and ratio, proportional ratio, you have to make another column, proportional ratio. How we will calculate, you will see, right, like this, similar to the previous one, right? In the previous questions I have done like this na. Yeah, exactly, you have to do the same things, right? I have added 2 more columns, right? This is proportional and this should be angle in degree, right? So first of all, this is 40 divided by how much? Total students is how much? 72. In the previous question there was total voter was 36. Here is the total data is what? 72. We just divide 72 it here, right? So next one, 12 divided by 72, then 7 divided by 72, then 4 divided by 72, then 9 divided by 72. Getting my point? This is a proportional ratio, right? So proportional ratio of each sector of Hindi, English, Tamil, Bengali and Marathi, right? Now we have to calculate the angles. So what you will do, you just 40 divided by 72 into 36, right? So just 12 divided by 72 into 36, right? You just same way in the previous questions I have already told you that you have to multiply 360 because a circle made of 360 degree. So how much this Hindi sector will subtended to the center, how much angle subtended by this Hindi sector, you have to calculate. This is a proportional limit and multiply by 360 in each sector, right? So just repeat it into 360. There's 4 by 72 into 360, again 9 by 72 into 360, right? And calculate it, right? So by calculating, we just divide this, you will get, this will be, I'm directly writing because I have already calculated, but you have to cut out and you will get the right answer, right? So this will be 200, this will be 60, this will, because this 12 6 is 72, right? So 6 divided by 36, you will get 60, right? Again you just solve this one, you will get 45. So it is 70 now. Okay, this will be 35. Okay, now the Bengali. And for the Bengali, you just cut out and you will get this will be 20 and this will be 45, right? You just simply cut it, you will get the values, right? So different value you have got the angles, right? For Hindi it contain 200 degree, for English it contains 60 degree, for Tamil it contain 35, for Bengali it contain 20, for Marathi it contain 45 degree. So various languages subtended various angle for the pie chart. Now again we have to make pie chart. So just by the help of this you have to make a circle over here, right? So you just make with the help of this one, right? But I am making freehand, but you have to make by help of this. For the any kind of size na you can take. You just so after completing this table, you have to make a pie chart. So let's start a pie chart. So I'm doing pie chart, right? So how we will do a pie chart? You just the help of this protector or rounder, you can just make a circle, like for any size na, any kind of size you can draw, but it should be portable size that you can observe. So any size you can draw it. I'm drawing freehand, but you have to draw by help of this only, right? So you just make a circle over here, like a complete circular, right? So mark at the center, and this is a baseline, right? We have to divide this circle into 5 sectors, because 5 data are here, 1 2 3 4 and 5 sector we have to divide. So Hindi subtend 200 degree, English subtended 60 degree, this one for Tamil 35 degree, Bengali for 20 degree, and Marathi for 45 degree, right? By the help of this protector, you mark this is 180 plus 8 20 more also, right? You will get 20 over here, right? You just join this one, right? So you will get this is angle is 200 degree. This is for what? Hindi. This is for Hindi. So the Hindi is over. Now move on to next. Which one? That is 60 degree. Again what you have to do, you just put it here, calculate 1 2 3 4 5 and 6, that is 60 over here. Similarly, you just divide all these sectors, you will get the right angles. So this is 60 for what? This is 60 angle, 60 for what? English, 60 for English. Similarly for 35, you again keep it protected over here, mark 35 over here, right? And make it, this is 35 angle, you will get this is 35 degree. This is 35 degree for what? That is Tamil, right? Now next one for 20 degree, you mark it again the help of protector, you just mark 20 over here, you will get this is 20 degree for what? For Bengali, right? Now next one is Marathi, this will be 45 for Marathi, right? So this will complete your pie chart, right? So this was the ask questions. This was the question you have to draw, display the data in pie chart. So this is the table you have to make. After completing this table, you will get a pie chart by the help of this angle, right? So this is 360 degree. By sum of this, you will get 360, right? So thanks for watching.